Dark, I wanted to show the coat closet, and don't know if I'll have a chance to tomorrow. But this is the inside. There's these shelves. The coat rack is right there. There's shelves along both sides. And then there's a stereo system throughout the house, and that's where whatever he had plugged in right there. It was the stereo. And on the back side of the door are these coat hooks that he made. And then there's these metal accents. They're like metal discs. And they each have a different design to them, which is pretty cool. Shows a really neat attention to detail. And this is how the door handle stays on, it's bolted. And then this is the front of the door. And even the hinges he made, and each one of the little bolts has its own unique design on the heads. And then there's a shelf right above it.